What happens to your body when you drink green tea for 30 days? 1. Increases metabolism. Catechins, a class of antioxidant found in green tea, have been found to increase metabolism. Regular green tea consumption may boost the body's capacity to burn calories, perhaps resulting in weight loss or maintenance. Additionally, green tea's caffeine content may have a slight stimulant effect, which would enhance metabolic rate even more. Green tea includes a moderate quantity of caffeine, which helps increase brain performance by boosting alertness and focus. 2. Enhances brain performance. Additionally, it contains the amino acid L-theanine, which collaborates with caffeine to support a state of calm focus. This combination may result in enhanced memory, improved cognitive function, and more mental clarity. 3. Promotes heart health. A lower risk of cardiovascular illnesses has been linked to the antioxidants in green tea, especially catechins. Regular green tea consumption may help improve overall heart health by lowering blood pressure and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. The risk of heart disease and stroke is lowered as a result of these impacts. 4. Supports digestion. Green tea has long been used to encourage a healthy digestive system. It has polyphenols that can lessen gastrointestinal tract inflammation and promote the development of good gut flora. Improved digestive health may result from reducing the symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. 5. Offers antioxidant defense. Green tea contains several antioxidants that scavenge the body's dangerous free radicals. These antioxidants, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, aid in preventing oxidative stress from harming cells. Green tea may enhance overall cellular health and lower the risk of chronic illnesses including some types of cancer by scavenging free radicals.